That's a good one.
Uh-huh. Big breath in. All the way out. Here we go. Nice. Bend your knees, heels to your butt. There she is. There she is. That's what I want. Let's go this side up facing me. All right. You're gonna be asleep on your plane ride, man. Feeling good. Push that shoulder back, huh? There we go. Up 405. Latched them in place. Good, good. Good. And perfect. Let the shoulders kind of drift backwards.
All right.
Thank you.
Sweet.